how to buy CHIEFS MMXXV token. So this token came under the symbol of CHIEFS. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simple as the codes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL accounts and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener and it created by 20 hours ago and it increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here are locked by 100%. That's made your investment in the safe place. As you can see, this token is trending number 5 right now on Solana section on the screener. Now to be able to buy this token, it is simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your fund wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. As you can see, click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. And after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap. After that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip hash, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy CHIEFS token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.